Hi students, in cubes and cube roots, look at this problem. Find the cube roots of decimal numbers. How do we calculate the cube root of decimal numbers? Look at first one. What is the first question? First one solution. Cube root of 2.744. Okay. This I can write cube root of, after decimal point how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So this I can write 2744 by 1000. Did you understand this step? After decimal point there are 3 digits. So that's why I kept 3 zeros here. Suppose if there are 4 digits, you have to keep 10,000 like that. Okay. So remove the decimal point and that many zeros you have to write in the denominator. Okay. Now this I can write. How do we split 2744? 2744 can be written as 2 ones, 2 threes, 2 sevens, 2 twos, 2 six are 12, 2 eights are 2 six are, 2 threes are 2 fours are 2 threes are, 7 fours are 28, 7 nines are 7 sevens are. Now you see once here, this is one triplet, this is one triplet. So cube root of that can be written as 2 cube into 7 cube upon 1000 means how can we write? 10 into 10 into 10 means 10 cube. It is already perfect cube, right? 1000. So this we can write. All are having cubes and perfect cubes. So 2 into 7 upon 10 whole cube can I write? Okay. 2 into 7 upon 10 whole cube. Now cube root and cube gets cancelled. I told you nth root of a power n can be a only. Nth root and n, power n will be cancelled. So here what is remaining? 2 into 7 by 10. 2 sevens are 14 by 10. 14 by 10 is nothing but, here we have 1 0. So after one digit you have to keep decimal point. So 1.4. Therefore cube root of 2.744 is 1.4. Clear? Like that you have to do. Look at the second problem. 9.261. 9.261. 9.261. Second solution. Cube root of 9.261. Cube root of 9261 upon, after decimal point how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So I can write 1000 here. That many zeros you have to replace. Okay. So remove the decimal point and that many zeros we have to write. So 9261. 9261. This we can write 10 cube, no problem. But this we will see. 3 3s 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 sevens. Okay. Again 3 will go, 3 1s, 3 2s, 3 9s. Again 3 will go, 3 4s are 3 3s are. Okay. See once there. Look at here. 9261. Right? 3 3 is 9. Okay. 0 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are. Okay? Once multiply this. Yes, right. So we have to keep 0 there. Okay? Now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 9, 3 4s 7 4s 28, 7 9s 7 7s. So this is one triplet, this is also triplet. So how can we write? Cube root of 3 3 3 3 cube 7 7 7 7 cube by, already I told you 1000 means how can we write? 10 cube. So all are perfect cubes again. So we can write 3 into 7 upon 10 whole cube. Okay. Now cube root and cube gets cancelled. 3 into 7 upon 10. 3 7s are 21 upon 10. 21 upon 10 means how can we write? 2.1. Therefore, cube root of 9.261 will be 2.1. Okay? Right. Third one we will see. Third one, cube root of 0.000040 How many digits are there? 4 plus 2. 6 digits are there, right? Cube root of, I can write 27 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 should be followed by 6 zeros. 10 lakh. Okay? This we can write directly. 27 is already perfect cube. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 cube by. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 100 into 100 into 100. Can I write 100 cube? Okay, 6 zeros now. So cube root of this I can write 3 by 100 whole cube. Clear? Now cube root and cube gets cancelled. 3 by 100. 1 is followed by 2 zeros here. So after that many digits you have to keep decimal. So 0.03. Cube root of 0. Equal to 0.03. That is the answer. Okay. Look at the fourth question. Fourth question. Fourth solution. Cube root of minus 0.512. Already I told you cube root of negative number is always negative. So minus can be kept outside. Cube root of 512 upon, after decimal how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So I can write 1000. Okay. Remove the decimal and keep that many digits. Cube root of, minus can be kept outside. Okay. 512. 2 2s, 2 5s, 2 6, 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 8s are, 2 6s are, 2 4s are, 2 32s, 2 16s, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. So triplets you see now, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay. So 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube upon 1000 means how do we write? 10 cube. Cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 upon 10 whole cube. Can we write like that? Right. Now cube root and cube gets cancelled, then what will you get? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 by 10. 8 by 10 means what? 0.8. After one digit you have to keep decimal. Therefore, cube root of minus 0.512 will be minus 0.8. Okay? That is the end of solution. Fifth one, see. Fifth one. What is cube root of minus 15.625? Minus again keep outside. Cube root of negative number is always negative. So minus cube root of, remove the decimal point. After decimal point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So 15,625 by 1, 2, 3. So 1000 we can write. Minus cube root of 15,625. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s 10. 5s 15,000. Sorry. 5 3s 15. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s 5 5s. 5 6 are 30. 5 2s 5 5s. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s 5 5s. 5 2s 5 5s. 5 5s. Right. So here 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay. So how many triplets here? 5 cube into 5 cube upon 10 cube. 1000 means what? 10 cube. So minus cube root of 5 into 5 upon 10 whole cube we can write. Right? So cube and cube root gets cancelled. So 25 by 10. 25 by 10 means what? 2.5. Therefore, cube root of minus 15.625 will be minus 2.5. Okay? That is the way we do it. Last one. Sixth one. Cube root of minus 125 into 1000. So put minus outside first, it is negative. Negative number. Put minus outside. So 125 can be written as 5 cube. 1000 can be written as 10 cube. Directly they are perfect cubes, right? Minus cube root of this I can write 5 into 10 whole cube. So cube root and cube gets cancelled. 5 into 10. 5 tens are 50. So minus 50 is the answer. Therefore, cube root of minus 125 into 1000 equal to minus 50. Okay? That is end of solution. Thank you.